Hi, I'm Chris Puccio, General Manager.
Hi, I'm TJ Esvez, Assistant General Manager.
Welcome to Copart, Washington, D.C., Yard 32.
Would you like to come inside and take a look?
Welcome to our lobby.
This is our wonderful staff.
This is where members can come in to make payments, check in to preview vehicles, pick up vehicles, or you can utilize our kiosks in order to make preliminary bids.
When a member comes to the yard, I would recommend bringing your driver's license, your license number, and any other required documents. Our auction is Tuesday at 10 a.m. If you're coming to preview a car, I would recommend coming Wednesday through Friday, as our busiest days are on Monday. And if you're a transporter coming to pick up vehicles, I would recommend not coming Thursdays and Fridays, as the wait can get a little long. Would you guys like to come meet our staff?
This is our office supervisor, Holly Dusalier.
She's going to help you out with some tips and things she does day to day.
Always make sure that you have previewed the vehicles before you place a bid. If you're not able to come out and look at the vehicles yourself, please take advantage of the member condition reports along with our new auto checks that are available for each vehicle at Copart.com. Make sure that your drivers do have the correct buyer number along with the lot number, that the vehicle's been paid for, along with the correct payment. Here at our yard, in order to place a bid, the state law requirement is you do have to be a dealer. If you do not have a dealer's license, you can go through a broker, which is available at Copart.com, and you can click on broker and there's a complete list there for your guidance. We want to make your experience here at Copart as fast and easy as possible.
So now we'll take you on a tour of our yard where we hold all of our inventory. Your safety protocol is to make sure you always pick up your green vest at the counter, along with wearing closed-toed shoes.
When you come into the front counter, you can let our staff member know what you're here to do, and they will point you in the right direction. If you're here to preview cars, we do have an escort named Frank, and he will show you all the vehicles you are here to see. Now let's go take a tour.
So here in DC, we have over 5,200 vehicles in our inventory.
A fun fact about our yard is we pick up majority of the heavies in Maryland and Northern Virginia. We have hundreds of boats, campers, RVs, medium and heavy duty vehicles. We also have several hundred motorcycles at this yard for sale.
So please come visit us at our nation's capital at Yard 32.
You can also find us online at www.copart.com.